Today on Math Sparks, our topic is symmetry and rotational symmetry of alphabets. Here I have taken a question from paper 1, that is of May-June 2020 O levels. Capital alphabets are there. From the word above, we have to write down all the letters which have line of symmetry. Now, the line of symmetry means that when you cut a letter into exact equal parts, and it the two parts can superimpose on each other, we call it a line of symmetry. Okay, now over here, the line of symmetry can be vertical also, it can be horizontal also. This is vertical line and this is horizontal line. Okay, now our first letter here on H, we can draw a vertical line, we can draw a horizontal line also, and we can see that it can cut into equal symmetrical parts. Now A, it also has line of symmetry. N doesn't have line of symmetry. G doesn't have line of symmetry. In case of E, if I draw a horizontal line, it can cut in E into two equal parts. So in this case, we can say that H, A, and E have the line of symmetry. B part says all letters uh, which have rotational symmetry. Now, in this case, rotational symmetry, if we rotate the letter N, it will exactly look as the number, as the letter N, and H. N and H have rotational symmetry. Now let's learn the concept. Here I have taken capital alphabets. Let's check out that how we can draw line of symmetries and which letters have line of symmetry and which letters doesn't have line of symmetries. Let's start with letter A. A can have a vertical line of symmetry. B can have a horizontal line of symmetry. C can have horizontal line of symmetry. D can have horizontal line of symmetry. E can have horizontal line of symmetry. F, if we check out, F can't have the line of symmetry, means if I draw a vertical line or a horizontal line, it won't have the two identical parts. Same is the case with G. Then comes H. H can have a vertical line of symmetry as well as horizontal line of symmetry. Next, letter I. Same case, I can have a vertical line of symmetry as well as horizontal line of symmetry. J, J can't have a vertical, either the horizontal line of symmetry. K can have a horizontal line of symmetry. L, again, no line of symmetry. M can have a vertical line of symmetry. Then N, no line of symmetry. Letter O can have two lines of symmetry. P, no line of symmetry. Q, no line of symmetry. R, no line of symmetry. S, again, no line of symmetry. T can have a vertical line of symmetry. U can have a vertical line of symmetry, means this line can cut U into two exactly identical parts. Same, V can have a vertical line of symmetry. W can have a vertical line of symmetry. X can have two lines of symmetry. Y can have one line of symmetry. Z have no line of symmetry. After this, let's make a list for our convenience. One line of symmetry, two lines of symmetry, then no line of. Let's sort out the English alphabets according to their line of symmetries. A, B, C, D, E, F. Check out F comes in no line of symmetry. G also comes in no line of symmetry. H, then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, although if it is being asked just about the line of symmetry and the number of line of symmetry is not asked, then we can just directly write down accordingly to our question. Next, let's move on to rotational symmetry. Now, what are the rotational symmetry order 1 letters? These are the ones that when you rotate them, you have to rotate them fully to 360 degree, then only they will look alike. Means if you keep on rotating letter A, you rotate it to 90 degree, then it will not look same. If you rotate it to 180 degree, it will not look same like letter A. Then rotate it to 270 degree, it will not look same. But until unless you will rotate it full to 360 degree, then only it will look exactly same. So these are the letters which have rotational symmetry of order 1. Next, letters with rotational symmetry of order 2. Original letter I is given, rotated to 90 degree, but once it's rotated to second time to 180 degree, it looks same as the original letter. So I, S, N, H, and Z have rotational symmetry of order 2. Then there is no letter which have rotational symmetry of order 3. Capital letter with rotational symmetry of order 4, there are only 2 letters. You can have a look, X and O. Okay, thanks. Best of luck.